Today, Leo and Lily are going on a wonderful trip to the beautiful beach with Mom and Dad. But wait, is everyone at the beach friendly and safe? What happens when a mysterious man offers them a giant chocolate ice cream? Let's join Leo and Lily to find out and learn a very important safety rule.
Ah! Look over there, Lily! Police officer. He is a stranger to us. But is he a bad stranger? Let's find out in today's story.
This is the best day.
Ew.
Look at the waves.
I want to swim.
We will, honey, right after ice cream.
Wow, the beach is incredibly beautiful today.
Yes, the sky is so blue and clear.
I love feeling the warm sand under my feet. Can you smell the fresh ocean air?
It is a perfect day for a family trip.
I am so excited to swim in the sea!
I want to collect beautiful seashells. And I want to build a giant sandcastle.
That sounds like a wonderful plan, Leo. Let's do it, Dad. Come on!
The ice cream man is a stranger, right?
Yes, Leo. We do not know his name.
So why is it safe to talk to him?
That is a very smart question, Leo.
Thanks, Dad.
He is what we call a good stranger.
Okay.
Ready for ice cream?
Good strangers are people doing their jobs. Like the ice cream seller or a police officer.
Also, Mom and Dad are right here with you.
We are watching you, so you are totally safe. Oh, I understand the difference now. This is so good. I know, right? Want to get more later? Mom, can we go play in the sand now? Of course, sweetie.
Yes, but you must remember our safety rules.
Stay close so we can always see you.
Do not walk near the deep water alone.
We promise, Mom. We will be careful. Okay, sweetheart. Just be safe. We will just build our sandcastle right here. I made this part bigger. I'll pat it down. Look, it's perfect. We did it. I am building a very tall tower for my castle. I am making a deep moat around the castle. This is the best sandcastle ever!
Little boy and little girl, would you like to come with me to get some yummy ice cream?
That is a magnificent sandcastle you have built.
Thank you, sir. We are working very hard on it.
You both look very hot and tired. Huh. Would you like something sweet and cold? I have a giant chocolate ice cream just for you. Do you want it? It is completely free.
Wow! A chocolate ice cream? I love chocolate.
Yes, but the ice cream is in my car.
My car is parked just over there. Come walk with me to get your special treat. It will only take 1 quick minute.
I saw that, stranger.
But remember, this must be our little secret. Do not tell your parents about the free ice cream.
A secret? Wait, that sounds very strange. What is wrong, Lily? It is just free ice cream. Take it, Leo. It's okay. Oh, okay. Wow. No, Leo. Mom and Dad said no secrets.
Huh?
Good strangers do not ask kids to keep secrets. Mom! Dad! Come quickly! We need help! Ow!
What is wrong, Lily? Why are you shouting?
I'm scared, Mom. A strange man is talking to Leo. He wants to give Leo free ice cream in his car. And he told Leo to keep it a secret.
What's happening? Something's wrong! Run! What are you doing with my son?
Step away from my children right now!
If you do not leave, I will call the police. Help! Someone! Anyone! Over here! What's that guy's problem?
Leo, are you okay? Did he touch you?
I am okay, Mom. He did not touch me.
I am so sorry. I just wanted the ice cream.
It is okay, Leo. We are just glad you are safe.
Yes, so glad you are safe.
You were incredibly brave today, Lily.
I wasn't I?
So brave.
Yeah.
You noticed the danger and acted very fast. You're a hero.
You saved your brother from a bad stranger.
I just remembered your lesson about secrets. Look at that!
Wow.
It's so big!
Incredible.
This is a good time to review our safety rules.
Not everyone you meet is a good person.
How do we know if a stranger is bad? It's tricky, but we can look for certain signs and listen to our instincts.
I know. I'll remember that.
A bad stranger often offers you gifts or candy.
They give you free things when parents are not looking.
A bad stranger always asks you to keep secrets.
Remember, we never keep secrets from Mom and Dad.
Never!
Good surprises are okay. but never secrets.
Also, adults never ask children for help.
If an adult asks you to find a lost puppy, run away. Run away?
Adults should only ask other adults for help.
I understand now. I will never forget this lesson.
What should you do if a bad stranger approaches?
No! I must say no in a very loud voice. No! And I must run away as fast as I can. Then I must tell a safe adult immediately. Like a police officer, a teacher, or my parents. Or my parents.
Exactly right. We are so proud of you both.
Let's say our safety chant together, loud and clear.
No talking! No talking! Run away! Hi! What should you do if a stranger offers you a toy? Tell us your smart answer in the comments below.
Always stay safe and watch out for danger.
Do not forget to subscribe for more fun lessons.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.